I have recently become absolutely obsessed with these earthwash detergent sheets. They are so good. They're especially great to travel with because they're so compact, and then you're not bringing like liquid and stuff on the airplane or in the car. So I just got a new pack. This one is 32 sheets per box. It comes wrapped in a little plastic. I have the Ocean Breeze scent and it smells so good. It's lovely without being like overpowering on your clothes after you wash them. I'm gonna open them so you can see what they look like. I have a top load washer, so all I do is put one of the sheets on top of my clothes. If you're doing a smaller load, you can do half of a sheet. If you're doing like a massive load, you can double up. All the instructions and stuff are on the box. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how to describe the consistency. It almost feels like soft on one side and then a little bumpy on the other. And it is literally just a dissolvable sheet that you set in there, and then the soap will do its job with the water. So they are so good, smell wonderful, and then they actually clean really well. So I was a little apprehensive at first when I first started using them because I'm like, oh, it's probably not gonna like clean out stains and stuff, but no, they work really great. They also have, I think, a fragrance-free kind too, if I remember right. But yeah, they're water soluble. You don't have to worry about a big plastic jug. Yeah, they're great. Trying to see if I'm missing anything. Yeah, they're awesome. Last a long time, especially if you do smaller loads. Just cut it in half. I just use the scissors, but these things are awesome. The brand actually sent it to me and I have been obsessed. I always tell my family and friends about it.